Now see the some numericals. First numerical, potential energy of a particle performing SHM is given मध्ये PE is equal to 0.1 pi square x square joule. Yes, and mass of the particle m is equal to 20 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. Find the frequency. n is to be determined. What is the formula? Potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 k into x square. And potential energy 0.1 pi square x square is equal to 1 by 2 k into x square. So that this x square gets cancelled. And 0.1 into pi square is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square. Value of k is equal to m omega square. Formula. Then pi square upon 10. लक्षात येतं का बेटा? pi square of 0.1 ला 1 upon 10 लिहिता येतं. And that is equal to 1 by 2. What is m? 20 into 10 raised to minus 3 into omega square 4 pi square n square. Omega is 2 pi n, square is 4 pi square n square. Now pi square cancel with this pi square, and that is equal to here. This cancels, and what remains? 1 upon 10 is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 into n square into n square. So that is equal to n square is equal to 1 upon 10 into 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. And that is equal to here. What is here? 100 divided by 40. 100 divided by 40. And that is this cancel here. And what is the here? 2.5. n square value is 2.5, and therefore n is equal to root of 2.5. n is equal to root of 2.5. And this can be written as 250 into 10 to the power minus 2. लक्षात आलं का बेटा? हा डेसिमल 2 डिजिटनं राईटला शिफ्ट केलं मी, आणि मग पुढे काय आलं? 10 raised to minus 1 into काय येतं सांगा मला? 250. स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 250 किती येतं रे? 144चा स्क्वेअर रूट किती? नाही 196, 14, त्याच्यानंतर 15, सव्वा 200, 225चा स्क्वेअर रूट 15 येतं. 16चा 196 म्हणजे 15 पॉईंट समथिंग येईल. आपण इथं घेऊया 15.2 वगैरे घेऊ, तर 1.52 हर्ट्ज इज द फ्रिक्वेन्सी. 1.52 hertz is the frequency. Okay, now so this completes the numerical number 1. Now your attention or focus is on the problem number 2. A simple pendulum of length L is equal to 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Perform SHM. Find a restoring force acts on the bob. A restoring force acts on a bob. F is to be calculated, and small m is equal to 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. When a displacement from the mean position x is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 मीटर. सेंटीमीटरचे मीटरमध्ये कन्वर्ट केलं तर रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स काढायचा. व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स? टेल मी. F is equal to K into X. Restoring force F is equal to K into X. What is K? K is equal to m omega square into X. What is mass here? 50 into 10 to the power minus 3, and omega square is equal to G by L. G by L into X, 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. Let us see. That is 50 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 9.8 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by length 1. Divided by length 1. And that is equal to here 150 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 9.8 into 10 to the power minus 3 and minus 2 means here minus 5. You write here. And that is equal to here, that is 15 into 9.8 into 10 to the power minus 4. चला बेटे कॅल्क्युलेशन पुढे 15 × 120 हाचे 12 15 × 9 135 आणि 12 147 147 डेसिमल पॉइंट इथं 10 raised to minus 4 Newton is the force. 147 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton is the result of this problem. So we complete this problem 2. See the next problem number 13. What is given? Find the change in length of seconds pendulum. Change in length of seconds pendulum, that is delta L is to be determined. Delta L. If the acceleration due to gravity at a place changes from G1 value is equal to 9.75 meter per second square and G2 is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. What is the basic formula here? L1 is equal to G1 upon pi square. L2 is equal to G2 upon pi square. Change in length is to be calculated. L1 minus L2 is equal to 1 upon pi square you take common. लक्षात येतं बेटा हे? याच्यातून हे सबट्रॅक्ट केलं. इथं काय असेल? G1 minus G2. G1 minus G2. And that is equal to 1 upon pi square in bracket. What is the value of G1? 9.75 minus 9.80. 9.8 means 80. So that is equal to 1 upon pi square in bracket. What remains? Minus 0.05. लक्षात येतं? 9.75 minus 9.80 means 0.05, and that is equal to here minus 0.05 divided by 9.87. Pi square value is 9.87, and you remove equally, and so therefore here, that is here 1 5 × 5 4 उरले 48 इथं 9 आलं बेटा 48 म्हणजे 45 3 उरले बरोबर आहे आणि इथं 7.4. So that is 1 upon 9 7.4 negative, that is equal to point minus as it is decimal point घेतला 0. आता इथं पॉइंट सिप घेतला हा डेसिमल निघाला 1 0 and near about approximately consider करा 1 upon 200. 1 upon 200 म्हणजे 1/2 into 10 to the power minus 2 म्हणजे 0.005 सेंटीमीटर मध्ये दिस व्हॅल्यू that is the change in the length of second's pendulum when gravity changes 9.75 to 9.80, right? Next problem, and which is very important, that may ask lengthy problem for 4 marks. You read this problem. A particle performs SHM of period capital T. See beta, capital T is equal to 2 pi second. Capital, whenever capital T is given, you must find the omega, and omega therefore is equal to 2 pi by capital T. 2 pi divided by 2 pi is equal to 1 radian per second. Value of omega is 1 radian per second. Then further read about the mean position O. The particle is performing oscillatory motion about the mean position O, right? Is observed to have a speed of b root 3 meter per second when at a distance b from O. So this particle is here b from O. Here the v is equal to b root 3 speed. At this point you may say p point, right? When at a distance b from O, if the particle is moving away from O at that instant, if the particle is moving away from O at that instant, this is the speed v. If the particle is moving away from O at that instant, find the time required by the particle to travel a further distance b. आता याच्या पुढे आणखीन b डिस्टन्सवरती गेल्यानंतर किती वेळ लागेल? म्हणजे बेटा इथून इथपर्यंत जाण्यासाठीचा टाईम t1 आहे, इथून पुढे b पर्यंत जाण्यासाठीचा टाईम t2 आहे. तुम्हाला काय विचारले? t1 पासून t2 पर्यंत किती टाईम? म्हणजेच बेसिकली यू मे आस्क t2 minus t1 is to be determined. t2 minus t1 is to be determined. Draw the figure and try to understand the what problem concept and what is to be calculate. पटकन विचार करायचा, काय दिले, काय काढायचं आहे. पहिल्यांदा बेटा त्या ऑसिलेटरी मोशनचा ॲम्प्लिट्यूड काढायचा आहे. ऑसिलेटरी मोशनचं ॲम्प्लिट्यूड काढायचं आहे आपल्याला. तर कोणता फॉर्म्युला यूज करावा लागेल? व्हेलॉसिटी दिलेली आहे, v इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा रूट ऑफ a स्क्वेअर मायनस x स्क्वेअर. व्हॉट इज v? b रूट 3 is equal to omega 1 into a square minus b square. Square on both the side. 3b square is equal to a square minus b square, and therefore a square is equal to 4b square and a is equal to 2b. Amplitude is twice b. And what is the time required for particle to reach at a distance b from O? That is x1 is equal to a sine of omega into t1. Tell me, x1 value b, this value to be sine of omega 1 into t1, and this b cancel. 1 by 2 is equal to sine of t1, and therefore t1 is equal to sine inverse of 1 by 2. t1 is equal to sine inverse of 1 by 2. Means pi by 6, and that is t1 is equal to pi by 6, and that particle from b to again further b means starting b plus b to b. So the time required is t2, and therefore x2 is equal to a sine of omega into t2. What is x2? 2b. Amplitude 2b, sine of omega 1 into t2. t2b cancel. Sine of t2 is equal to 1, and t2 is equal to sine inverse of 1. What is the value of sine inverse of 1? Tell me. Pi by 2. That is equal to pi by 2. t2 value is pi by 2, and you have to find the value of t2 minus t1, that is pi by 2 minus pi by 6, 30. This is 90 and this is 30, and that should be 90 minus 30, 60. 60 means pi by 3. pi by 3 second is the result of this problem. So problem is quite simple, but lengthy problem is here. So it required the patience to solve such type of the problem. First you draw this figure. What is the given data? Try to understand what given in the problem and you further solve so that your idea should be very very clear. अलग लक्षात येणार हा प्रॉब्लेम मला वाटतं की प्रत्येकाच्या लक्षात आला असेल. हा प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 4. The problem number 5. A needle of sewing machine moves along a path of amplitude A is equal to 4 centimeter 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter with a frequency n is equal to 5 hertz. Frequency n is equal to 5 hertz. Find its acceleration. Acceleration is to be calculated when t is equal to 1 upon 30 second after it has crossed the mean position. After it has crossed the mean position. What is the formula? Acceleration is equal to omega square x and x is equal to omega square a sine of omega into t. So you write the basic formula and that is equal to here omega square 4 pi square into n square. Amplitude, what is 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 into sine of omega 2 pi n into small t, that is equal to here 16 pi square into n square, frequency 25 into 10 raised to minus 2 into sine of 2 pi into n value 5 into small t 1 upon 30. 1 upon 30. 5 into 2 10 and this gets cancelled and that is equal to here किती येतं बेटा हे 16 पंच 80ला 0 हातचे 8 32 आणि 8 40 400 pi square into 10 raised to minus 2 into sine pi by 3. That is this 20 cancel with this. That is 4 into 9.87. अलग लक्षामध्ये 4 into 9.87 into sine pi by 3 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 हे 2 इथे कॅन्सल. That is 2 into 9.87 into root 3 and that is equal to here 7 दोन्ही 14ला 4 हातचा 1 8 16 आणि 17ला 7 हातचा 1 9 दोन्ही 18 1 19 into 10 to the power into root of 3 into root 3. So nearly you calculate 20 approximately घेतलात तर 1.732 into 20 कॅल्क्युलेट करा बेटा. जो काही रिझल्ट येईल दॅट इज युअर ॲक्सलेशन. दॅट इज युअर ॲक्सलेशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 6. अ बॉडी डिस्क्राइब SHM in its path 0.12 meter long, means this path, total path 0.12 meter. What is amplitude? पाथ लेंथ आहे. एका टोकापासून दुसऱ्या टोकापर्यंतची लेंथ म्हणजे पाथ लेंथ. त्याच्या हाफ ॲम्प्लिट्यूड असतं. ॲम्प्लिट्यूड इज इक्वल टू 0.12 डिवाइड बाय 2 दॅट इज 0.06 मीटर. long. Its velocity at the center of its path Vmax is equal to 0.12 meter per second. Maximum velocity. Find period and magnitude of velocity at a distance x is equal to root 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter ला velocity काढायची आहे. आणि पहिल्यांदा period, find the period and magnitude of velocity at this distance. Yes. How to find the velocity? Vmax is equal to, we have the formula. Vmax is equal to a omega. Therefore, omega is equal to Vmax divided by a. What is the value of Vmax? 0.12. 0.12 divided by amplitude 0.06, and that is equal to 2 radian per second. 2 radian per second is the omega, and period T is equal to 2 pi by omega, that is 2 pi by omega means 2, that is pi is equal to 3.14 second. Capital T is equal to 3.14 second. Then you find velocity. V is equal to omega root of a square values in this formula and make a simple calculation so that you get the result. पहा बेटा, हळूहळू थोडं तुम्ही प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करत जा. रिझल्ट तुम्हाला यायला कॅल्क्युलेशनमध्ये भ्यायचं नाही. कॅल्क्युलेशन फारच सिंपल असतात. V इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा. व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ओमेगा? ओमेगा व्हॅल्यू 2. A square, A means 0.06 चा स्क्वेअर minus x square. What is the value of x? Root 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 याचा स्क्वेअर, right? So for simple way you put here 2 into, instead of meter you take in centimeter. 0.06 in meter means 6 centimeter, that is equal to 36 minus root 3 is a square 3, only 3. So that is root 3 square 3, 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter मध्ये कन्वर्ट केला, and that is equal to here 2 into 33, 2 into 33 centimeter per second is the result, is the velocity of the particle at a distance. How much? Root 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter means root 3 centimeter. So that is the result of this problem, what we calculate. Okay.